All right, this is Saturday. It was raining. I could have stayed home, used that for an excuse, but I didn't. I went out and got mulch. Thought if it started raining more, at least I'd have the mulch, and then it looks like it's starting to clear up a little bit. So maybe I can get this job done. So I got all this mulch through here yesterday and ran short in the back. So that's what I'm going to try to finish today. Just this a little bit around this little pond. And this tree. And there's a tree out there. And then I'm gonna try to pick up the sticks underneath this tree here. All right, I got that done. And there's that tree down by the water. Got it. Now all I have to do is get these sticks and I'll be out of here. See you next time.